Java predicate. A functional interface is an interface which allows only one abstract method within the interface scope. There are some predefined functional interface in Java like predicate, consumer, supplier, etc. The return type of a lambda function, introduced in JDK 1.8, is also functional interface. The functional interface predicate is defined in the Java util function package. It improves manageability of code, helps in unit testing them separately.
Look at the following example. Import Java util function predicate. Public class predicate example 1. Public static void main method with the parameter as an array arguments type string. Creating predicate. Object predicate has data type of integer with the name lesser than. Object lesser than reference to a lambda. The lambda has parameter I with expression I less than 20. Calling method test from object lesser than and pass the value 15. Remember, because object lesser than is predicate object, and predicate object contains some method, and test method is one of them. Now value 15 pass to I parameter, and call expression I less than 20, and 15 less than 20. So test method return true.
Look at the next following example. In this implementation, I remove the lambda, and create a new class, my predicate class. My predicate class implements predicate interface with integer data type. I implement one abstract method, that is the test method. I can remove the override annotation. The code has no problem. But my teacher told me I should always annotate methods with override annotation if it's available. So I put override annotation to make me remember test method as an abstract method. With this example, we can easily understand compare to the way I use lambda in the predicate example 1. Predicate example 1 and predicate example 2 are the same logic. Predicate example 1 looks shorter and more professional. Look at the next following example. This predicate example 3 has the same logic as predicate example 1 and predicate example 2. In this example, I use anonymous class concept. We can instantiate an anonymous class from extending an existing class or implement an interface. In this case, I implement predicate interface with data type integer. So this time I do not listen my teacher, I remove override annotation. I implement test method with the same logic as predicate example 1 and predicate example 2. This is end of part 1. See you again the video of part 2. Thank you.